So guys, nakikita nyo yung mga dark spot sa face ko. Diba? Tapos recently nga, nagka-pimples ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kung sa kapupuyat. Pero, yan. Okay? So, titingnan natin kung magkakaroon siya ng improvement. Okay? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'll be showing you how you can do skin rejuvenation using coffee and olive oil. So, with our current situation, we would suggest or we prefer doing skin rejuvenation at the comfort of our home. And for this one, we will be using coffee and pure olive oil. By the way guys, rejuvenation is anything that makes the skin look better. Using skincare products, treatments, or procedure. But this time, it would be a home remedy, DIY, using coffee and olive oil. Okay, why coffee is good for our skin? First, we know that coffee has antioxidant, may boost collagen levels and reduce the premature aging of cells. So, applying coffee directly to your skin may help decrease the appearance of sunspots, redness, and fine lines. So, now, what about olive oil? Olive oil acts as an antioxidant, which is a substance that prevents oxidation. Oxidation is a process that can produce free radicals, which are chemicals that can potentially damage cells and may contribute to cancer development. When applied to the skin, antioxidants may prevent premature aging. So, it has the same benefit with the coffee. And also, if you're feeling dry, olive oil can be your best friend. You can apply olive oil to dry patches of your skin or use it as an all-over moisturizer. And it's possible to use olive oil as a moisturizer without any added ingredients by applying it directly onto your skin. From there, you can blot off any excess oil with a towel or cloth. It may be especially helpful to use olive oil as a moisturizer after you've been exposed to sun or suffered a sunburn. However, excessive use of olive oil may not also be good, especially if you have a sensitive skin. And olive oil is not advisable to be used for infant as well. So now, to use olive oil and coffee for skin rejuvenation, you just have to mix equal portion of coffee and olive oil. So basically, that is very easy. You just have to mix like 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. It's also better if it's a coffee bean that you grind, so it would be more natural. And then mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So once the mixture is ready, you just have to apply it all over your face and then massage it on your face for 30 seconds. Then leave it for 15 minutes. Okay? So this actually act like a facial scrub, like a coffee facial scrub. Okay? So guys, ayan. So almost 15 minutes ko na siyang binabad. Ngayon, i-wipe off natin siya ng wet na cloth. So akong gagamitin ko itong wet wipes. Okay. Ayan. Guys, nakita nyo ba na nag-lighten yung face ko? Di ba? So, probably, tutuloy ko lang pag gamit nito. Kasi yung mixture naman na ginawa ko is hindi lang naman siya one-time use. So, ayun guys, so nag-lighten siya. Okay? At saka, I don't think na it's not safe since it's natural ingredients naman siya. Okay? So, after nun guys, to finish it off, yung olive oil, okay, na natira, kasi may mga ano siya, parang residue ng olive oil. Okay, so guys, ito yung olive oil, pure olive oil, diba? Napakita ko na to. Yun nga, to finish it off, gagawin ko, maglalagay lang ako ng olive oil dun sa face ko para siguro to moisturize na rin. Tapos, massage lang natin. Guys, ang ganda ng olive oil. Parang maganda siyang alternative talaga sa pang-moisturize ng skin. Personally ha, makikita ko siya. So, ang ganda niya. Lighten yung face ko. So, guys, try nyo din, ha? Try nyo din kasi natural ingredients naman to. So, hindi ako magdadalawang isip na sabihin sa inyo or i-refer sa inyo na i-try siya. Okay? Just make sure na pure olive oil siya at hindi yung olive oil na ginagamit na pangluto. Okay? So, I hope guys, since some of us nasa GCQ pa rin tayo or still on the quarantine, so best way na rin to rejuvenate our skin. Okay? So, again guys, ganda siya. Ang ganda talaga. Promise. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye guys. Please don't forget to like this video if you have any comment or suggestions of any other home remedy or DIY beauty skincare that you want to share. We can try it off and then just give me also a feedback if you happen to try this skin rejuvenating using coffee and olive oil. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.